In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix the Snapchat camera black screen glitch. So let's just get straight into the video. The first fix is going to be by simply force closing and reopening your application. If that doesn't fix your problem, what you want to do is simply go ahead and turn off your phone and on to clear temporary glitches. Also, ensure that Snapchat has a permission access to your camera. So simply head into your settings, look for camera, or you could also simply go ahead and look for apps and then simply go ahead and look for Snapchat here. Now simply go ahead and click on the Snapchat, click on camera and make sure that it is turned on. The final thing you want to do is just head into settings, head to general, head down to transfer or reset, click on reset and reset all settings. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.